Now, every trip that I've ever taken has had one nightmare in common: bad Wi-Fi. Then I found this tiny black box that promises global 4G internet and even doubles it as a power bank. And I know what you guys are saying, it sounds too good to be true, right? Well, this is the Linklan eSIM Hotspot Pro, and I spent the last few weeks putting it through everything from airports to coffee shops to a cabin in the woods. Now, when it comes to boxing, inside the box it's pretty minimal. You get the Hotspot Pro itself, a USB-C cable, and some paperwork, and based on my first impression, I would say that it's chunkier than I expected, but still feels very solid. Almost like a mini power bank. It has this matte finish that hides fingerprints really well. And right on the front, there's a 1.8-inch display showing battery, time. Setting it up was way easier than I expected. You power it on, connect it to its Wi-Fi from your phone or laptop, and then either buy a data plan through the Linklan app, or you can load your own eSIM. Just scan the QR code, and within a minute or two, you're online. And it also supports a physical nano SIM if you ever want to pop one in while traveling. And here's the nerdy part. Inside, it's rocking a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, which can last up to 48 hours of continuous use. And it can even charge your phone with up to 22.5 watts of output. It uses LTE Cat 6, so you're looking at theoretical speeds of up to 300 megabytes per second down and 50 megabytes per second up. Broadcast Wi-Fi 6 on both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands, and you can connect up to 16 devices at once. It works in over 180 countries using more than 500 global carriers, and it uses something that they call Ultralink Tech to automatically pick the strongest local network. The whole thing weighs about 245 grams and measures roughly 61 by 121 by 28 millimeters. Now, specs are one thing, but here's what I actually got. In a downtown cafe with great signal, I pulled 220 megabytes per second down and 25 up, and in a park with weaker coverage, it still gave me about 120 down and 15 up. And with 8 devices connected streaming videos at once, it hovered around 70 to 100 megabytes per second each, which is honestly impressive for a mobile hotspot. Battery wise, I ran it for 2 days straight on and off and got about 42 hours before it dipped below 10%. So the 48-hour claim is actually pretty believable. And as for range, on 2.4 gigahertz, I could stay connected about 40 meters away, more like 15 meters line of sight, which is pretty standard for Wi-Fi 6. The Linklan app is also surprisingly clean. You can see your data usage, battery level, connected devices, and you can easily add or switch eSIM plans with just a QR code. And it also handles firmware updates automatically whenever you're online. Last month, I was on a trip in a remote part of the Bahamas, no local SIM, no hotel Wi-Fi, and roaming charges were ridiculous. But then I powered this thing on, connected it, and within 60 seconds, I had internet. I checked emails, joined Zoom calls, and even charged my phone on it. And especially if you're traveling, having something this reliable feels like a safety net. Even when compared to other providers, Linklan not only provides more data plans, but even compared to plans that have the same storage, they offer cheaper prices as well, which is really nice. Linklan also made eSIM installation very simple. Download the Linklan app in the App Store, create a Linklan account, add your device, go to whatever country that you want your hotspot in, pick a data plan in the store, and once you buy it, tap install, go to device tab, view more, enable, and from there, it will be in use. And once you buy it, the device will be ready to go. So if you travel often, work remotely, or just hate the stress of hunting for Wi-Fi, this thing is a game changer. And if you guys are interested, click the link in the description and comment section of today's video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.